You're about to see an AI tool that makes Sora, Runway, and Pika look slow. This is Atlas AI, the secret AI movie studio creators are quietly switching to. If you can describe a world, Atlas will build it, light it, animate it, and move the camera for you. And the craziest part? Hardly anyone knows this tool exists, yet. Most AI video tools create flat clips, but Atlas creates worlds. Let me show you what I mean. This scene wasn't made in Unreal Engine, Blender, or Unity. It was typed. Watch this. Generate a neon-lit cyberpunk alley, raining, reflective puddles, fog, a slow forward camera dolly, and a character walking toward the light. This used to take a 3D artist 15 hours. Atlas does it in under 60 seconds. But here's the feature nobody is talking about. Atlas lets you move the camera inside the generated world, like a real movie studio. This changes everything. Runway, Pika, Pixverse, all powerful. But they share one limitation. They generate a clip that dies after one angle. Atlas fixes the biggest flaw in AI filmmaking today. Filmmakers are calling Atlas the missing link between AI and real cinema, because it merges 3D world building plus video generation. But there's an even crazier part, and it might be the feature that blows up on TikTok and YouTube this month. Atlas supports AI character animation inside your generated scene. This takes faceless storytelling to a new level. Imagine creating an entire story universe with 0 actors, 0 cameras, 0 studio. Creators are quietly using Atlas to generate and nobody watching knows these aren't real studios. Here's where it gets wild. Atlas lets you animate the environment itself. Sora and Dream Machine can't do this level of reactive environment motion yet. But everything you've seen so far is not its best feature. Because the next update might introduce a feature that will absolutely break the internet. Atlas is working on full scene continuity, meaning the AI remembers your world across multiple shots. So what can you do with Atlas today? And here's the secret. You don't need to be a filmmaker. You don't need to know lighting. You don't need 3D skills. If you can describe a world, Atlas will build it. And I haven't even shown you the prompt formula that unlocks Atlas's hidden cinematic mode. If you want part 2, where I give you my secret cinematic prompts, drop a comment saying Atlas 2. I'll release it early for you.